What is up, YouTube? This time I am in Perth, Western Australia, one of the most beautiful parts of the world. The water is amazing, crystal clear, people are so friendly, and the city is so clean. I'm so happy I got to come here and share with you guys because I love traveling, and this is one of the best places I had on my bucket list to come visit. It's about 5 hours, a 5-hour flight from Sydney, and it's been such an amazing experience. Enjoy the ride. So there's a helicopter that goes here monitoring the sharks and warning the people. They turn the sirens on, and here you can see the helicopter right there, the Westpac. Usually whenever there's a shark nearby, the helicopter would just blast the sirens on, so people are warned to just get out of the water. Yesterday, for example, the beach was closed for about 2 hours because there were 2 sharks nearby, so everyone left the water, and then 2 hours later everyone was allowed to come back. This is a beautiful, beautiful view of the city. I'm at the Botanical Gardens here in Perth, and take a look at the view. I'm walking around Fremantle. Beautiful day here. It's gonna be a beautiful sunny day, and it's time to go get some breakfast. Time to go home now. Let's go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.